In the magical kingdom of Eldoria, there ruled a brave and kind queen named Mira. She had long silver hair and always wore a simple crown. Queen Mira loved her people and worked hard to keep the kingdom safe and happy. One day, a wise elf named Aldor came to Queen Mira with urgent news. Aldor wore green robes and carried a staff. Queen Mira, the elven crown has been stolen from the sacred grove. We need your help to retrieve it, he said. Queen Mira agreed to help. She and Aldor set off on a journey to find the elven crown. They traveled through forests, crossed rivers, and climbed mountains, facing many challenges along the way. Asa traveled deeper into the enchanted forest. They met magical creatures who guided them. The forest was alive with the sound of rustling leaves and sparkling streams. Every step brought them closer to the sacred grove. Finally, they reached the sacred grove. In the center of the grove stood a tall, ancient tree with a hidden door. Behind this door was the elven crown. Mira and Aldor took a deep breath and entered. Inside, they found the elven crown, glowing with a magical light. The crown was beautiful, made of silver and adorned with precious gems. Mira carefully took the crown, feeling its powerful magic. Queen Mira and Aldor returned to Eldoria with the elven crown. The kingdom rejoiced as the crown's magic spread, bringing peace and prosperity. Mira placed the crown in the sacred hall, ensuring its protection. With the elven crown back in its rightful place, Eldoria flourished. Queen Mira continued to rule with wisdom and kindness, always ready to protect her kingdom. And Aldor remained a trusted friend and advisor,